Nope.
All right, go.
Stop whacking off.
Nice one, Brady.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay, my turn. Holy crap, that's heavy.
Yeah, that's why.
That's why I prefer the X.
I learned my. I'm gonna try the axe after.
Oh, 55 damage. Anything. Okay, X time.
Hold on, Logan.
What? Axe
Hold
in
on.
one hand, hammer in the other.
Hold on, let me see the hammer.
That's the
Okay, here, hold
that's
that.
impossible.
That impossible?
No.
It's impossible.
Impossible.
Hold on.
Here.
Try that.
Hold on, Brady, take my phone real fast.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I think the head's about ready to fall off. So.
Well, it's been like that. Well, hang on. Let me see.
Hey.
Let's
You might
talk
have
him
to
more
make it the other
smashy.
way.
Let's talk him more smashy, man.
Put it against the tree.
Hey, do that again.
Logan, I can help fix later.
God, your nose.
Help me fix it later.
All right. 3, 2,
I'm gonna
1.
wind up close to
It did not destroy!
Die.
Breathe.
I want to try the axe.
For extension,
Die.
this is pretty badass.
Give me a second. Give me a second. X time.
Oh! Flawless victory on the move.
It looks bad. This is probably going to be the highlight of most of our summer.
Hey, Brady, I have something pretty cool for you to take. All
What?
No, it's dead.
What?
Alright,
There
hey,
you go. Give me
Zach, move away before I smash your brain open.
Yeah, Zach, get the fuck out of Dodge, dude.
Zach!
GTFO now!
right, dirt on my glasses.
-5 damage. No.
Try to copy me.
My turn again.
I've had some experience with that kind of stuff, actually.
My turn.
Come on, Brady, switch it.
Jackson, I told you I wasn't the only one that was gonna fail.
Take it, tens.
I only failed once.
Ah, we will destroy this!
Eventually. The paper
The most badass extension card
You know what's sad?
in the
It's
world.
probably going to be the highlight of most of our summers.
Probably.
Until 4th of July.
Yeah.
That's when the danger
With
starts.
my cousin setting off sticks of dynamite.
Oh, God.
Dude, at Brady's house.
Now,
Yeah, last year's 4th of July, we had this fireworks.
Oh, my God.
Those
Hold on,
that
stop for a
flames on
sec.
it, They broke off. We lit it anyway. It just
Progress
started
so far, just flip it over as well. Ben, watch my hands. Okay.
Put the power into it, man.
Yeah, you gotta have
Yeah,
it
man.
let it swing down.
Yeah, do what I was doing.
Logan, let me show you. Let me do it.
Give it a game in the corner.
I'm gonna do the next
yeah.
camera.
I'm on the second shot. I'm better
I
with
need
the axe.
the flat side. Flat side's better.
I'm talking about more force, not.
Think of it as you're killing a zombie.
Day after last day of school, gathering of friends, and this is what we do.
This is my next target.
Oh, one hand. Phone. Or not phone. Camera.
Can I borrow that? Can I
I use one hand.
I don't know. This is Ben's, not mine. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let him take a swing.
I call the hammer after Brady.
I'm next on the axe.
I'm next on the
How
hammer.
about the hammer? Give me the knife. Give me the knife, Logan.
Nope, doesn't want to do it.
Ben, show Logan how to use your phone.
I just wanted to get it from video to camera.
Logan,
It's on video. It's on video. And
He wants it on camera.
where?
Do you see my techniques I was using?
So yeah.
Okay, we're going after the...
Bro, I'm not using that quarter time.
That's not the good end.
Oh, we can't switch it to camera until we stop recording.
Here, Brady, this is what you can use.
I'll turn
No, this is where
You can't use it. That's for just a
Well,
second.
he thinks it's like a melee weapon, not actually to like.
Melee? It's melee.
Well, if you look at it, it looks like it's...
I know.
What are you doing?
He's cutting the plastic. And now he's whacking at it.
Hey,
He's trying to whack it off.
It costs $25. It costs money. American dollar.
$25?
Yes.
Ironic that you have a Russian accent when you're talking about America.
I know.
Oh, Bill. Go straight to the middle. No, this is how you throw a knife. You throw it, you take aim with
Yes,
it.
you
Here.
throw it towards the owner.
Here, let me see it.
I'm proud of that.
Right.
Let me try the tree. Get the fuck off. Oh,
No, don't wear out the nice knife.
Let's do it once,
We
dude.
hit the knife with it.
Okay, how the hell do you get further down than me?
Because I've been throwing knives the past 2 months.
Ah.
I know what I'm doing.
Hammer time.
Stop. Hammer time.
Who wants to hold that as we whack it like a pinata?
I want to
to hold it like pinata.
Hold on.
With this hammer real quick.
What?
Get the hammer, get the hammer.
No, I need it.
We got a little tree.
Low tree, let's hit it there like a pinata.
What?
How you do it from the tree?
That's not gonna do much, though.
Awesome. Okay, that was this.
I'm very bad at being the cameraman.
You're the camera then. And it's like,
Then you're bad doing everything.
I'll do this on the first. All right.
I'm already next. Yes. No.
No.
Into it. What? What the fuck do you want?
I'm
Still getting gasoline and burner.
right. You try and
Well,
do this.
that's why we've got the wood pile. And
Pretty soon there will be a big.
here, let the 230-pounder do it.
All right. Let's fatty.
Done.
Oh shit, neither. I mean, Aldorn.
Hey, you're not black. Oh crap.
We're not
I think I did. Oh my God!
Let's go, Jackson.
I did something.
I just say.
I had an error.
Oh no!
I was really surprised that shit can hold my weight.
There you go. It's not going to come off, I don't think. My turn.
Balloon.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
If we hit it with the hammer, it'll come off into.
It's so fucking worth
No. Here, let me.
Okay, don't cut the cord.
Move away, everyone.
Well, there are some cords you want to cut.
Wait, can I, umbilical cord?
Yeah. See, he got what I was referring to.
Yep. Hey, you know what? I have a question. Gun targets? Hanging up.
Oh,
Is it teleport?
Hit the other way now.
And they're balls. Ben, are you balling? Do you even lift from?
Don't hit the tree, Ben.
Do you even lift
That's
from?
the entire purpose of the
I lift.
May I?
It doesn't work with the air.
Hold on.
You have to stand the ground for the hammer.
No, you just.
Oh my God! Two rotations. Here, here, Ben.
Hey,
Ben.
look at that ground. I want to fit.
Okay, someone take my phone. Hold on.
Not me. I keep popping it up.
Okay, Ben.
If you get it, give me the face on the
Ben,
clip.
take my.
It would be better if it was on the
take my
ground.
I bet. Are you filming for sure?
I am. Ben.
Are you?
Oh, yeah.
Zach,
Wait,
take.
dude,
Yeah.
let me go get a real time. I'm going to sit here.
Hold
I'll
on.
go with my...
Ben, hold on. Zach. Zach, take my phone.
I need...
No.
Hey, I
Hold
want to
on.
hold it.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, no. Trade me extra stick.
No.
Oh.
Right.
Oh shit, yeah.
I told you! I told you!
I was short.
He broke something off. Maybe not.
This works better if it was on the ground with the hammer.
I'm not.
Hold on, Ben. Ben, take my phone. Why? I'm gonna. Your screen is so tiny. What is this, like a 2-megapixel camera?
Oh yeah.
Fail! Double fail!
No loss. I want to see it.
I gotta do the hammer. Not, whatever. I was right by you, jackass!
I made sure you were out of the way, dude.
Fine, jackass. Yeah, that's your Jackson, you're a jackass.
We need to do our own jackass.
Oh, okay, we'll have to think of that tonight. I don't like the hammer. It's heavy.
Exactly. That's why it does more damage.
Screw it. Give me the axe.
No, I get X time.
Oh my.
Oh my God! Yes! So much win!
Alright.
No, I'm May 1st. This is my wood.
Stop grabbing my wood, everybody. Gosh, one at a time.
Oh!
Now kill it!
My wood's long enough to forever to
Gotta move it. Don't move it. Guys on the ground.
Hammer, fine!
Do that again.
My wood's long enough for everybody to get it.
Hold on. Hold on, watch my hand, dude.
So when will he post the after pictures?
That's just big. Whatever this thing is in pieces, it's dead.
Okay.
And this thing is
Wait,
this
can
should
I
no
next
longer-
week?
Hey,
Okay, I just need to.
yeah,
hour.
enough. You can't.
Can you throw it in the fire?
No. That actually would.
Yeah, we'll melt it in the fire later. After we strip up the copper wiring.
Where's my lighter fluid?
Alright, action
Yeah.
time.
You guys.
Hammer time! Next time!
Oh,
No, that's wood time.
Stop thinking that in front of the camera. It's like we're in one of those mines.
Ah.
flashing a lamp. That's royally offensive.
I haven't gotten there wheels have gotten long. Here, give me 2 minutes. Wait, you're the other end. There you go.
How about can I join?
Oh, watch my head! Watch my head!
It's block time. Now it's your turn.
Can I go get something?
My parents know what it is. I know, right?
Mine would have a hissy fit too.
No, my parents
Hold on, Jack.
are...
One more.
My dad's a Nazi, by the way.
That's not a good thing to brag about, dude.
No, I know. He's an asshole.
My grandfather killed.
Because he's anti-brony?
No. My entire family's mad, but they're not assholes. They're like, Brady, we think you're gay, but we don't love you. Brady, we think you're gay, but we still love you. You know?
Wait, hold on. Hold on.
Take that off. Take the freaking tail, because I can actually use that as a weapon.
I know, but we
You
just need to take.
I know, just stick. Just stick.
Oh, this one's easier to clean.
You know you're a redneck when you can hold one.
A hammer in one hand and a beer in the other.
Yep. Oh, quick, someone hand me a beer.
I want beer right now.
Come on.
Jackson, pretend like you're Thor.
Let's find something else to smash.
What you want is coconut vodka and pineapple juice.
Sounds like gay.
No, it's called pina colada with vodka.
Doesn't pina colada automatically have some vodka?
Look at this, he has a walking stick.
No, it's dude, vodka's better than tequila. Tequila's a
Walking stick.
No.
I got you.
Yeah.
We're not done with this thing yet.
But it's Discord. Discord. I'm held up. But no, it's Discord. And you know, this.
Get it? Yeah.
This is not the Magic Sword. Those kind of
Double meaning. Here's a board.
Right, you're going to have to... Or it's the Buster Sword, one of the two. That's the... Yeah, that's the Buster Sword. One guy. 2 OP, 5...
Oh, yes, I want to try it here. Hold on.
Link would have lost. Go fast. No, Link won. I know the guy who beat Link 4.
Rainbow Dash. Look, see.
I want to throw it after Henry. Good thing I have practice chucking things.
Oh, yes. Ben, you need to practice. Ben, you need to practice. The male part goes into the female part. It'd be like this. You see, Ben needs to practice the female part.
Yeah.
The male part goes into the female part, you see?
Yeah.
Give me that. I can chop one.
Your penis.
Wait, that's a good dude, wait, that's actually a pretty good walking stick.
That is a pretty
You shall not fall!
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk with this.
do that.
You shall not fall!
You know,
Here, take this one.
Okay, this is getting close on 15 minutes.